In this groundbreaking video, India showcases its cutting-edge defense technology by successfully testing a homegrown laser weapon capable of neutralizing aerial threats. Conducted by the Defense Research and Development Organization, the test demonstrated the destruction of both single and multiple drones with remarkable precision, marking India's entry into an elite group of nations that possess such advanced capabilities. The video elucidates the advantages of laser weapons over traditional anti-drone systems, emphasizing their effectiveness in modern warfare and implications for regional security, particularly against drone incursions. India successfully test-fires its homegrown laser weapon, an achievement that positions it alongside the US, Russia, and China in advanced defense technology. This demonstration marks India's entry into an elite club with futuristic warfare capabilities. Introducing the 30-kilowatt laser weapon, we showcase its design and technology developed by the DRDO. Drones play a significant role in modern warfare, and advances in drone defense technologies are crucial. Laser weapons have distinct advantages, including the capacity to engage multiple targets without overheating. The laser weapon system enhances India's defense arsenal, particularly in light of rising drone incursions at its borders. This weapon plays a pivotal role in India's defense against regional threats, emphasizing its strategic importance.